If you want to find and manage display settings on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to go to settings, then over here scroll down a little bit and you should be able to find display option. So tap on it in order to open display settings, and over here we can for instance change to light or dark theme. We can also create a schedule by going to dark mode settings. We can adjust the brightness, use automatic brightness, and if we don't use automatic brightness we have extra brightness option. We can adjust the refresh rate of the screen. We have the eye comfort shield, which is the blue light filter. We have the adaptive color tone, which allows you to adjust colors and white balance based on the ambient light conditions. We have the screen mode, which allows you to adjust colors of the screen so that the colors are either more natural or more vivid. We have the font settings. We have the screen zoom, also known as the PI settings. We can adjust the screen resolution. By default we use Full HD+, we can increase it to Quad HD+. We have the camera cutout option. We can adjust the screen timeout. We have the easy mode as well as edge panels. We can adjust the navigation bar. We have the accidental touch protection. We can increase touch sensitivity, and we can also show charging information and use a screensaver. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!